Alright, in this video we are gonna solve this super interesting exponential math problem. We are gonna find the value of x where we are given this equation. At first it looks difficult to solve because of different bases, but do not worry, there is a simple trick. So where should we start the solution? First, I'm gonna rewrite this 6 as the product of 2 and 3. So here we go. It is gonna be, let me rewrite it here, 2 times 3 raised to 2x plus 4, right? And here we have 3 raised to 3x times 2 raised to x plus 8. Now in this moment, I'm gonna follow this math rule that says if we have a times b raised to n, it can be written in the form of a raised to n times b raised to n. So this one is gonna be, let me write it here, 2 raised to 2x plus 4 times 3 raised to 2x plus 4 equals 3 raised to 3x times 2 raised to x plus 8. Next, it can be written in the form of, look closely, I write 2 raised to 2x plus 4 over and move this one here, 2 raised to x plus 8. This is left hand side equals, I write this one here, 3 raised to 3x over this one, 3 raised to 2x plus 4. Look, this one exactly same as this one. Look, this is times this one equals this is times this one. Actually, if we have a b equals c d, it can be written in the form of a over c equals d over b. Remember this. Next, look, left hand side, we have exponential division with same base. So I need to follow this, a raised to m over a raised to n. Same base, different exponent. I write a base and simply subtract exponent. So left side is gonna be, I write 2 raised to first exponent 2x plus 4 minus second exponent x plus 8 equals right hand side. Again, same base. I write a base and simply subtract exponent. So it is gonna be 2x plus 4. Next, I write this 2x plus 4 minus 8 minus x and minus 8 equals, I write this base, 3x minus 2x and minus 4, right? Next, it is gonna be, I write this to 2x minus x gives us x, 4 minus 8 gives us negative 4 equals, I write this 3x minus 2x gives us x minus 4. Now look closely. Same exponent, different bases. So how it is possible? This only happens when the exponent is 0. Why? Because any number to the power of 0 is gonna be 1. So I set this exponent, which means x minus 4 equals 0. It gives us x equals 4. And this is your answer. But wait, we need to check this is a valid answer or not. To check, we need to plug the answer in the original equation. What is the original equation? 6 raised to 2x plus 4 equals 3 raised to 3x times 2 raised to x plus 8. Let's do it. So I write 6. 2 times 4 plus 4 equals is 3. 3 times 4 times 2, 4 plus 8, right? So it is gonna be 6. 2 times 4, 8 plus 4, 12 equals 3 raised to 12 times 2 raised to 4 plus 8, 12. What is this? Exactly this rule. This rule. Let's work backward. So it is gonna be 6 raised to 12 equals 3 times 2 raised to 12. So 6 raised to the power of 12 is gonna be 6 raised to the power of 12. Both sides are equal. So x equals 4 is a valid answer.